Welcome. In this video, I will give you an overview of several AI tools. AI tools that generate text and content are, for example, Gemini, Anthropic Claude, ChatGPT, Clockwise, Grammarly, Jasper, Microsoft Copilot, Notion AI, Zapier, or NotebookLM. They are built on large language models, which have been trained on vast amounts of text and data. This allows them to understand, summarize, translate, predict, and generate human-like text. Let's briefly describe NotebookLM. It is an AI research and note-taking tool where you upload your own documents and sources for the AI to work with. For example, I can add 3 books written by Eckhart Tolle. Unlike other AI tools, its answers rely only on the information from sources you provide. This makes the tool more predictable. You control the information the AI references based on what resources you choose to include, which keeps the focus right where you want it. I can ask AI to summarize what Eckhart Tolle says about love. Fact-checking with NotebookLM is simple. Its answers include citations. You can verify the AI summaries by revisiting the source material, which helps build trust in the tool's output. You can use it to work with project reports, interview transcripts, or research articles. You can also create a video overview of your sources. The video overview is shown, for example, in my video titled 3 Eckhart Tolle Books, A New Earth, The Power of Now, Stillness Speaks, video preview by NotebookLM.
A completely new way of seeing the world and ourselves? Well, let's get right into that because that is the very heart of
You can also create an audio overview podcast, and so on.
I want to start today with a challenge. And fair warning, it's going to sound deceptively simple.
Okay, I'm listening.
I just want you to try to sit where you are right now and not think.
Not think.
Yeah. 0 thoughts. No. What am I making for dinner? No. Did I reply to that email? No.
Code-generative AI tools are trained on billions of lines of code from public repositories, enabling them to understand programming languages, frameworks, and common coding patterns. Examples include Gemini Code Assist, GitHub Copilot, Jupyter AI, or Tab9. Image and media generative AI tools focus on creating and editing multimedia content, including images, video, and audio. They typically use a technology known as diffusion models, which learn to generate novel content from text descriptions, or prompts. Examples include Gemini with Nano Banana, Asset Studio, Adobe Firefly, Canva Magic Design, DALL 3, 11 Labs, Midjourney, or Runway.
Some AI tools can be added to your web browser. Many applications and programs you already use are already adding built-in AI capabilities. For example, you can use Gemini in Gmail.
Google Docs, Slides, Sheets, and Meet. If this video helped you, subscribe to this channel and like this video.